Hey YouTube, this is going to be my first video on my new channel. I'm going to make this channel just strictly about fireworks. My other channel is 62890 Vault. Looks like a fitness and firework channel, but this one I'm just going to make my firework channel, and I decided to do my first video on the electric rain canister shells. So let's take a look at them. This box retail goes for $74.99. I did not buy them for $74.99. They were on sale at Hookset Fireworks for $30. Let's take one of these things out. Alright. This one is Red Wave and Crackling. It's in Chinese too, apparently. This box comes with only 12 of them. That's why it's $30. Any 24 canister box is $60. And it comes with a fiberglass tube, and looks like it's right around the same height as every other one that I've had. I think the exterminator motors are a little bit taller than all the rest. I don't know why. It's either exterminator or HD. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is fiberglass, so I'm probably not going to be using this in my mortar rack, but this is what it looks like. It's really not thick at all. The Excalibur mortars, they're really thick here, and they have a nice little solid base at the bottom. This one, it doesn't seem like it's not solid, but it's just not an HDPE tube. So next, I'm going to be weighing. I guess I'll weigh a couple out. Might as well. So let's see. This one weighs in at, it's only 91 grams. That's it, 91 grams for this one. Let's grab another one. This is Blue Stars and Crackling. This is 92 grams. So they're really not heavy whatsoever. Let's do one more. This one is White Glittering, and this one weighs 88 grams. So wow, these are very light. The an average Excalibur weighs in at about 150 grams, and they're saying that these are better than the Excaliburs, but I can just tell from the weight. There's really nothing to them. They're very light, but apparently this has to be really good, and I'm gonna have to do a video on all of the canister shells that I have. I have 7 different kinds of canisters. I have these, Excals, Exterminators, HD, Lock and Load, Star Spangled Bangers, and one other, I think. I'm not sure, I forgot now. But yeah, oh yeah, and Pro Shells. That's what I forgot. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a video on all of these, but I think in the next couple of days I'm just gonna shoot one of these off next to an Excalibur, see what it is. So you guys just let me know, and like this video, stay tuned, and I will definitely shoot one off very soon. Alright, bye.